Algorand cost really equivalent to $0.1084 a coin, which all things considered, is very critical. The present exchanged cost range, 0.1082 to 0.1112, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 0.1110 in an unobtrusive way. The change sort of was 0.00262.34%. Or so they most certainly thought. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Algo, which is genuinely critical. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.11, kind of most extreme 0.12, sort of least 0.10, which fundamentally is very huge. Algorand estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $0.11, beautiful greatest 0.12, kind of least 0.10, or so they really thought. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.11 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.12, certainly least 0.10. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.11, by and large most extreme 0.12, certainly least 0.10, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. In multi-week Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.11, for the most part greatest 0.12, truly least 0.10, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.11, truly most extreme 0.12, sort of least 0.10 in a by and large significant manner. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.11, greatest 0.12, by and large least 0.10 amazingly. Algorand conjecture on Monday, August 14, cost $0.11, for the most part greatest 0.12, kind of least 0.10 in a kind of huge manner. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.10, sort of most extreme 0.11, really least 0.09 in a quite huge way. In about 14 days Algorand estimate on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.10, most extreme 0.11, really least 0.09 in a very significant way. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.10, especially most extreme 0.11, especially least 0.09 in an exceptionally enormous way. Algorand estimate on Friday, August 18, cost $0.10, most certainly greatest 0.11, sort of least 0.09, which sort of is very critical. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, August 21, cost $0.10, sort of most extreme 0.11, fundamentally least 0.09 in a by and large significant manner. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.10, lovely most extreme 0.11, least 0.09 in a by and large significant manner. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23, cost $0.09, sort of greatest 0.10, extremely least 0.08. Algorand figure on Thursday, August 24, cost $0.09, especially greatest 0.10, in every way that really matters, least 0.08, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, August 25, cost $0.09, really greatest 0.10, beautiful least 0.08, by and large further appearance. How Algorand value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, or so they generally thought. Algorand gauge on Monday, August 28, cost $0.09, truly greatest 0.10, sort of least 0.08, which for the most part is very critical. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29, cost $0.08, extremely greatest 0.09, sort of least 0.07, which in a real sense is very huge. In about a month Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, August 30, cost $0.09, sort of greatest 0.10, really least 0.08, which especially shows that Algorand value sort of equivalent to $0.1084 a coin in every practical sense, huge way. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, August 31, cost $0.09, beautiful greatest 0.10, sort of least 0.08 in every practical sense, large way. Algorand gauge on Friday, September 1, cost $0.09, kind of greatest 0.10, especially least 0.08, or so they explicitly thought. United States dollars to Algo today. United States dollars to Algo conversion scale, exceptionally equivalent to 9.2251 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today's reach, 8.9928 to 9.2421, which generally is very critical. The past day's nearby, 9.0090 in an unpretentious way. Change for now plus 0.2161, plus 2.40%, which most certainly is very huge. United States dollars to Algo cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Thursday, August 3, cost 9.091 coins in every way that really matters, greatest 10.000, for the most part least 8.333, further appearance how Algorand cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.11, essentially greatest 0.12, beautiful least 0.10 in a genuinely large way. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Friday, August 4, cost 9.091 coins, truly greatest 10.000, certainly least 8.333, exhibiting how Algorand cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.11, greatest 0.12, least 0.10, which generally is genuinely critical. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Monday, August 7, cost 9.091 coins, really most extreme 10.000, genuinely least 8.333, showing that Algorand conjecture on Friday, September 1, cost $0.09, by and large greatest 0.10, lovely least 0.08 in a significant way. United States dollars to Algo forecast on Tuesday, August 8, cost 9.091 coins, greatest 10.000, by and large least 8.333, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In multi-week dollar to Algorand estimate on Wednesday, August 9, cost 9.091 coins, exceptionally greatest 10.000, kind of least 8.333, which basically is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost 9.091 coins, kind of greatest 10.000 in every way that really matters, least 8.333 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Friday, August 11, cost 9.091 coins, truly most extreme 10.000, really least 8.333, which fundamentally is very critical. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Monday, August 14, cost 9.091 coins, really greatest 10